cities expand and welcome new inhabitants, space for living is shrinking. The large influx of population, only a privileged few make it. Several others live their life on the margins.
The slum dwellers are the lifelines of the city. Our kitchens are run by them, our homes are run by them. They contribute to the city, they build the city, but cities are not prepared to recognize them. So now you visit to any of the slums in India, you will realize that there is no services, there is no facilities, there is no infrastructure. So people are living in a very miserable condition.
चावल घर आमको रोईबा बहुत हैरान आसी चावल कण वर्षा बोले पानी गली जाऊँ शोबा बहुत हैरान आसी झाड़ा बसवा बहुत हैरान आसी किसी ना आमको घर दरकार से पत्र पे हैरान आसी बसवा कि ना आम कौन आप बहुत हैरान आसी कोटी वाला पेट चलू नतला ना गरीब नको.
Every day the slum dwellers are struggling to get recognition for their existence. They are not getting basic services because they don't have the land rights. In 2017, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik has announced the historic act, Odisha Land Rights to Slum Dwellers Act 2017, to give them a recognition, to empower them by giving land rights, providing all basic services and infrastructure.
We have taken a historic decision today to grant land rights to the slum dwellers living in municipal councils and notified area councils of the state, and property rights to those living in municipal corporation areas. The Cabinet today approved promulgation of 2 ordinances for assigning land rights or property rights to the identified slum dwellers for development, rehabilitation and upgradation of slum.
मो ना लक्ष्मी एटा मो घर एटा मो जगह.
ముందు వెళ్ళిపోండి అనేసి అనేవారు. చాలామంది వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోండి, మీకు ధైర్యం లేదు, మీరు ఉండడానికి పనికిరారు, ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు అనేసి అనేవారు. ఇప్పుడు మాకు గవర్నమెంట్ పట్టాలు ఇచ్చింది, మాకు ఉండడానికి కూడా ధైర్యంగా ఉంది, చాలా బాగా ఉండగలుగుతున్నాం, చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాం. మేము పట్టా మాకు దొరికిసింది, మేము ఇక్కడే ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నాం, మాకు ఇల్లు ఇది, మా జాగా ఇది, మేము సంతోషంగా ఇక్కడే ఉంటాం.
सरकार को धन्यवाद दौचु कहीं आमको से घर देले, जगह देले, पट्टा देले, लैट्रिन बाथरूम देले, से हईराण होलु, लाइन देले, दांड भी रोड परिष्कार देले, सबु प्रकार असुविधा आम ये आज खुशी रे रहीचु. नवीन सरकार को आमर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
ना पेर दुर्गम्मा, इदी मा इल्लु मा पाटा.
Slums are nothing but humans living in inhuman conditions. So we want to eliminate that. That's the objective of Jaga Mission, to transform the slums into livable habitat so that you don't have slums. So now we are working towards giving the land rights, giving financial assistance to build their homes, improving their living conditions, infrastructure, and to upgrade the slums into normal neighborhood area. Basically it is to empower the slum dwellers. They should feel that they are part and parcel of the city.
मो ना पिकिता तिलु, मो चंद्रबाबू बस्तीर बासिंदा. मो निज कार्यकारी हूँ टेलरिंग. मुझे कम कर मो घर चल कर आमर ये लोकंर आम फैमिली माछ धरिया कम आम भाई मैंने माछ धरवे. मो टेलरिंग करके आम घर को चलाऊँ. लोक मैंने बहुत अशांति थे, घर भी बहुत जली जाऊला, एमती बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस करते. 2017 अगस्ट मसरे आमर जागा मिशन कामटा आरंभ होता. से कम आमको कही तुमर पट्टा दिज्व, तुम भल घरटा कर, तुम जेकोसी प्रॉब्लम से किछिटा दूर हो पार बोली आमको कही से.
When we started the implementing the Jaga mission, we realized that we have 114 towns in the state to cover. More than 200,000 households living in about 2,000 slums throughout the state. So what we did is that we tried both the traditional conventional chain-based survey technology and the modern unmanned aerial vehicle, the drone-based survey. And we also used the GIS mapping, and then we used a database to capture the household data. That helped us to cut down the time that what would have taken several years for us, we could do in 6 to 8 months' time. That increased the speed of implementation of the program.
ଜାଗା ଉଠିଯିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଥିଲା ସେଥିସକାଶେ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶୁଣିଲୁ ଆମକୁ ସରକାର ପଟ୍ଟା ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଜାଗା ପାଇଁ ଆମ ସାହି ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଉତ୍ସବ କରିଲେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଲେ ନବୀନ ସରକାର ଗରିବ ଭାଇମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବହୁତ ଉପକାର କରିଲେ ସେଥିସକାଶେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
When government of Odisha initiated land rights activities, they realized that 50% of slum lands are untenable. They are defense lands, they are railway lands, they are forest lands, they are lands on sweet water zone. So those lands cannot be transferred into livable habitat. So that's why government of Odisha has decided that they can be shifted to a nearest land which is known as the new habitat. So the new habitat is next to the slum where they are now living in. So next available land the state government has identified where they can live. All infrastructures will be provided starting from housing, water supply, street light, sanitation, then the covered drains. All these facilities will be provided to these people in the new habitat, and after that the families will be shifted to that place.
మేము ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్న ఊరి కంటే మేము డెవలప్ చేసుకున్న ఊరి మ్యాప్ ఇది. ఇంకా గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఒడిశా జాగా మిషన్ టాటా ట్రస్ట్ ద్వారా ఈ మాకు కొత్త మ్యాప్ విజన్ కొత్తగా తయారు చేశారు. మేము లాస్ట్ ఉన్న దానికన్నా ఈ ఇయర్ చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. కొత్త రోడ్లు కానీ, కొత్త పైప్ లైన్లు కానీ, కరెంట్ కానీ, డ్రైనేజ్ కానీ, ఫిష్ యార్డ్ కానీ, టాయిలెట్లు కానీ అన్ని సౌకర్యం జాగా మిషన్ గవర్నమెంట్ త్రూలో మాకు అన్ని బాగా సక్రమంగా చేశారు. ఎంతమంది చేపలు కొంటున్నారో వాళ్ళందరికీ గోదాములు ఇస్తారు. గోదాములు ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ చేసుకొని ఒకళ్ళు పార్సల్ చేసుకొని బుకింగ్ మొత్తం అన్ని చేసుకొని బుక్ చేసుకోవడానికి బయటికి వేగి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మేము చాలా సంతోషిస్తున్నాం. దీని నిమిత్తం మేము మా గ్రామంలో హ్యాపీ.
In number of places, we discussed with the community slum dwellers that they will be shifted to the nearest available land. So they are happy because all the basic services will be provided, the infrastructure will be developed, and they will be a part of the main city. They will not be shifted to the periphery of the city. So that gives them a strength that this program is people's program. This is being developed with people's participation. We took them to the new place, we shown them, we have explained them what the infrastructure development will be there, what will be the facilities will be given to them, then they accepted it. And I am today very happy that 60% of people, those who are living in the slum, are willing to shift to the nearest available government land. Jaga mission is unique because it has been completely been executed with the people's participation. Today you visit to any of the slums in Odisha, you will find a slum dweller association in each and every slum. So slum dweller association takes decision that who will get land rights in that community, what will be the plan for that particular slum, and how it can be upgraded, what basic services should be provided, what are the infrastructures need to be improved, and how the slum integrated development can take place in the slum and at the urban local body level.
मेरा नाम विजेंद्र दास है। मैं गंजाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट का गोपालपुर एनएसी में काम कर रहा हूँ जागा मिशन की तरफ से। हमारा रेस्पॉन्स ये है कि यहाँ पे हर लोगों को पट्टा मिलना चाहिए, हर हाउस होल्ड को पट्टा मिलना चाहिए। जब पट्टा मिल जाते हैं उन लोगों को कैसे घर बनाएंगे, कैसे उनका घर का क्वालिटी कैसे होगा, कैसे उनको पैसा मिलेगा, ये गोपालपुर एनएसी के साथ मिलकर हम लोग यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं।
In the last 1.5 years of implementation of this Jaga mission program, a lot of activities have been completed. All the slums in the state have been surveyed. All slum communities have been mobilized. They have been formed into slum dweller association. And then land rights have been granted to about more than 57,000 families as of now. With a strong partnership with all these agencies, we could translate the provisions in the Act into reality. So once you take care of the existing slums, then that is not the end of the story. Then the slums are formed every day. Every day there is an urban growth. So how do you address that? How do you future-proof the cities from slum formation? We are working towards that. We also, the state has to bring up policy measures so that the affordable housing, affordable land, affordable space are available for the economically weaker section people who earn 200 rupees, 250 rupees a day. So we are planning to invest in affordable housing of various ranges so that people will have a space or a land to take shelter. They will not be encouraged to form a new slum. We are working towards it.
The land rights that has been given by the government of Odisha under Jaga mission can change their entire life and can change their future also. Land rights has given them a recognition that they are part of the city. Land rights has provided them now the basic services. It has improved the slum with basic infrastructure. It has given them a due recognition that they are a part of the city.
We started this initiative in 2017. In the past 2 years, we are well into accomplishing a lot of things. So now we are working towards achieving slum-free city as well as slum-proof the city. How do you preempt formation of slum? I am sure we will be able to achieve that.
Looking beyond oneself and helping these urban inhabitants is not a one-time event, but requires long-term holistic planning and implementation. Jaga Mission is enabling them to adapt and live sustainably in cities.